Hi friends. Have you ever wanted to build a professional website without writing a single line of code? In the WordPress No-Code Mastery course with Advanced SEO, we'll teach you how to create a fully professional and SEO-optimized website using WordPress, no coding knowledge required. I've got some exciting news for you. This amazing course, which Udemy offers at an 80% discount for around €10. I'm giving it to you completely free. No payment, no catch, you'll get full access to a professional no-code web design course plus advanced SEO training. Just stick with me until the end of the video and don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Simply open your browser and search for gotodiscounts.com on Google or any other search engine you use. From the search results, click on the link to access the site. Make sure you type gotodiscounts.com exactly to be directed to the correct page. On the main page of gotodiscounts.com, you can find the latest Udemy courses offered with the best special discount coupons and take advantage of amazing deals. To access the discount coupon for the desired course, simply click on the course link. The course page opens for us, containing information about the course, including discounts and the expiration date. Be sure to check the expiration date to take advantage of the discount. To access the details and apply the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, I got this course completely free through gotodiscounts.com. But heads up, this offer isn't permanent. You've got only 3 days left to grab this deal. So if you want to get full access without paying a cent, don't wait, act now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, it really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you'll be the first to know about upcoming free courses. Take care, and see you in the next one.